Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I currently work at HSBC, and I do MI reporting for their retail credit department. Before joining Eric's team or Eric's program, I was always involved with investing, but the Investing Accelerator program and Eric has helped me to increase my returns and also improve my investment results. I really enjoy working with Eric. He's a great guy, and he produces results and gives you the confidence in order to place trades and make good investments. Prior to joining, my investments were doing okay. They were making money, but after joining Eric's program, I was able to increase my profits a lot faster. Eric gives you the tools and knowledge and helps with the confidence and the analysis so that you're able to place the correct trades, and by doing so, you're able to bring in profits faster than you would without his help. One of the great things I love working with Eric is just his support, and placing trades sometimes can be quite difficult, and placing investments and making investments, and sometimes it takes a little bit of courage, and so Eric's great because he's always there, and his weekly coaching calls, he addresses a lot of the questions, and so any issues or concerns that you may have with your investments, he's always there looking out for you. So it's like having that safety net below you before you take the leap. You can be confident that your investments will turn out well because you have that second person behind you. After joining Eric's program, I've cashed in on one investment so far, and that was on Activision. It's made about a 38% return, and I was holding that investment for about 5 months, so just under 5 months. So I made 38% return in 5 months, which I think is pretty good. It's been better than any of my other investments for that short period of time. If I was to give one piece of advice for a new investor or someone thinking about the program, is just to go with your gut and trust your gut and the analysis that you've done. That because you've done the analysis, you don't need to hesitate. And just for myself and my personal experience, hesitating on a few of the trades and the investments have costed me some profit, especially after doing the analysis with Eric. Just the hesitation has caused me to be late in some entries, or not even being able to take an entry because the stock already moved in my favor. So trust the system, don't hesitate, and invest wholeheartedly. That would be my advice to anyone thinking about the program, or anyone who is investing, new to investing.